Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Princess Bakaro and today we're going to unboxing my Allure Beauty Box for the month of February. And here it is. And I'm going to show you guys all the stuff first, and then on the second part of this video I'm going to do a try on. And here is the Allure box for the month of February, and a lot of mix of skincare products and makeup also. And here it is. I'm going to open it for you guys. Here is the box of Allure Beauty Box. As you guys know, it does have the pamphlet or a booklet to see all the products inside of this inside of this plastic makeup bag, and you guys already know the drill. And of course it's backwards. I always thought this one is the front one, and this is the front page of this booklet. This month is this, and I think every of the new trend this year is a little bit more of in a natural way, but also there's still more of a glam makeup look still. And this year is like more of a natural bushy eyebrows, a natural eye look, a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and a little bit of floss that is very suits on your skin. Like you have all this freckles, your maybe mine are moles and then a little bit of these imperfections. So here is enough talking. So here is the front page. These are the products I have in this box, and the last page, here it is. This month is going to be a black theme of a glam. I always keep saying glam bag. I get used to the HEMPZ glam bag. So shout out to the glam bags there, HEMPZ people. And then here it is. This is the plastic makeup bag. Oh shoot, unfortunately my bag is broken. Oh, that sucks. So first one is this. This is a MAMONDE Flower Lab Essence Mask. This is in Calendula, and this one, it does have 25 ml or 0.84 fluid ounces. We're not gonna use this one this time because I already prepped my skin and I already put a little bit of skincare products on my face, and I already used sheet mask this morning. This one, and again, it's a MAMONDE product, and this one is the Petal Spa Oil to Foam, and it's in the flower, which is rose. It has 25 ml or 0.84 fluid ounces. I think it's the same amount that they have on the sheet mask. Yeah, the same amount of essence. The next one is right here. This is the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Light Mascara. This is a mascara volumist. And the next ones I've got here is this one. This is the MODA Metallics Triad Eye Brush, and I'm gonna open it for you guys. Here it is. This is how it looks like, guys. It's Triad. It's good for maybe right here. Here is this. This is the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks, and this is an instant tinted brow gel. It's a tinted brow gel with microfibers, and here it is. And it does have 0.099 ounces or 2.8 grams, and it's in the shade Brown Hair 02. I hope it's my shade. The next ones I've got here is this. This is the Molly High Shine Liquid Lipstick, I guess, or lip gloss. It looks like lip gloss to me. And this one is retail price is $21, and you can buy this in the qvc.com. I don't know why is it like that. And then the last ones here is this Model Co. This is the Metallic Eyeshadow Trio by it's in Mykonos, and it does have 3 grams or 0.10 grams. And these are metallic eyeshadow trios, and it is cruelty free, and it does have 12 months in there. This is how it looks like. It's reflecting a little bit, and these are in shade Mykonos. Let me open it. Where to open it? And then this one, each of the powder eyeshadows in this trio are burgundy, pinky champagne, and brown. And then this one, you can buy it in their website, which is model.co.com. Then we have another one here. Lastly is this one. I don't know what is this. It says here is Leave Love Layers, and this is for gorjana.com. And this is how it looks like. That's a nice one, but I feel like it's a long necklace, I guess. It's a nice one. So I already do my eyebrows. I did use this one as usual. This is the Etude House Draw Eyebrow. It's in the dark brown shade, and I did clean them with this Colourpop no filter concealer. I'm in the shade medium 30, and I already put this on my eyelids too to use this palette. This is the Femme ROSA. This is the KARRUECHE collaboration with Colourpop, and this is the She palette, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to use this one. This is the MODA Metallics Triad eye brush, and I'm going to use this on the outer corner. I'm going to use this one into the outer corner of my eyes, and using this shade right here. Whatever. So next we're gonna go do the cut crease a little bit. And then the second one, I'm going to use the champagne on this trio. This one right here. It doesn't go right here. Maybe a little bit. Maybe a hand. It doesn't go right there. It's a hand. A finger can do it. Just press. And I'm going to use the burgundy on this trio. Nope, it crumbled. Oh my gosh. Wow. Made it a mess. So far, this is the look. Unfortunately, didn't go mix well to the base of my eyeshadow or the concealer. And then later on, I'm still gonna go try this one like by itself without any concealer or base. Maybe they're gonna go perfectly by themselves without any base on the eyelids. So I'm going to update you guys this ones later on, so like maybe in a few days, few weeks. And then I'm going to use this Wonder Beauty mascara. This is for volume and length. So this is how it looks like. This is the one, and it's for the length, I guess. The bristles, it's, I feel like it's for the length of the eyelashes. I feel like the formula of this mascara is a little bit in the waxy. The mascara, it dries so fast. It doesn't smudge right now, and I feel like it's too dry. Is that fine, I guess? So let's go proceed for the eyelashes. I'm going to put some lashes on, like falsies, so I'll be right back, guys. So I already do my eyelashes. I already lined it up to the eyes too. I did use this Renaissance by Makeup Revolution. This is the Renaissance eyeliner. Let's proceed to the face. So I already applied the foundation. I did use this Wet n Wild PHOTOFOCUS foundation. I'm in the Buff Bisque. And then next we're going to use the brow gels right here. This is the, of course, the brow gel. And this is the applicator or the bristle. It's too tiny. And then we'll see if it's gonna work on my... It's nice to use this brush in the corner of my brows, I guess. It's like right there. Wow, I like this brow gel. It feels like it's easy to use, and it feels like it gives me the volume of the eyebrows, and I feel like, wow, they look like perfect to me. I guess. And then now lips. I'm going to wipe it off my lips a little bit. I'm going to use this lip liner by Maybelline. This is their Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade of Purely Nude 110. Just gonna go line up a little bit. Now we're going to use this Molly. This is their liquid lipstick, but it's a gloss. So here it is. It's like a brush, not airbrush, like a bristle applicator instead of the hard applicator. And then you have to twist it, I guess. Oh, there it is. It's coming off. I mean, coming out. And then here it is. Smells sweet like candy. Here it is. It's not too glossy. I feel like there's some glitters in it. Here it is. I don't like to use it by itself like this. I like the smell though, but it's too strong. So I'm going to wipe this off, and then I'm going to use a nude color of lipstick instead. So I'm going to use this Laritzi. This is the Tidal Waves. I got this in my Ipsy Glam bag for February. So if you guys haven't watched that video, then I'm going to link it up here or down below the description box. And then I'm just gonna put something in the inner corner of my eye. So here is the aftermath of using of these products in here, and I'm going to tell you guys I like the brow gel, this brow gel fibers, microfibers. I like this one, and I feel like it's a little bit much in the healthy side of the eyebrows, and it makes my brows thicker than like before. So here is the final look. And that's it for you guys. I hope you like this video. Please give this a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. See you on the next video of this unboxing and try on of Allure Beauty Box each month on my channel. And that's it for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.